Hey, Jake, are there hurricanes in Japan?
Kind of. Japan has typhoons instead of hurricanes.
Oh, what's the difference?
Well, the only difference is name and location. So, typhoons occur in the West Pacific Ocean, but hurricanes occur in the East Pacific and Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, so besides the location, hurricanes and typhoons are the same thing?
Yeah, they're both types of tropical cyclones. Usually, typhoon season in Japan is in August and September.
Oh, that's the same as hurricane season in America.
Yeah.